everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Gumtree how to get paid. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So getting paid on Gumtree depends on how you arrange payment with the buyer. Gumtree does not process payments directly, so you'll need to agree on a method with the buyer. So here are your options, and number one is cash on collection. Meet in a safe public place and accept cash in hand, best for local sales and avoid scams. Second is bank transfer. Share your bank details with the buyer for a direct transfer. Wait for the funds to clear before handing over them. Third is to use PayPal. Send the buyer your PayPal email address to receive payment. Use goods and services for buyer protection but not PayPal fees. Fourth is to Gumtree's pay and ship if available. Some users can use Gumtree's secure payment system where buyers pay online. Funds are released after the item is delivered. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.